English, Grade 3, Block 1. Good morning, children. Today we are going to talk about English lesson on understanding characters. In this lesson, we will read the story Mala Goes to School and learn how our character's action give us clues about what the character is like. We will listen to and read the story aloud while looking for clues about the main character in the story. We will also identify and use verbs is, am, are to describe sentences, the character. We will understand that the character's action can give us clue about what the character is like by making a web. Making a web, character web, will be very helpful. How can making a character web like this will help us to understand what a person is like? Can you see the character web? I have made a web of Mala's character. Mala is studious because she likes to study. Mala is brave. Mala is curious. Mala is helpful. Mala is fast and strong. Things that people do can be clues to us who they are and what they are like. Making a character web can help us see a character's action and what they are like. For example, just think about someone who is famous. Think. Why do you like that famous personality? What action makes that person famous? Good actions show us that a person has good character. One example I can share with you. I know you will immediately get connected to that person. The name of that person is Mother Teresa. We can think and relate, understand the relationship between a person's action and what the person is like. How I said Mother Teresa? You know, you can make a web of her immediately. She is helpful. She is very brave. Like this, we can also make web for such famous personalities. Any character can be explained, understand through making a web chart. Let's go through a nice, lovely story. A story of Mala. Mala goes to school. The writer of the story is Soumya Rajendran. Here children, I have a very cute Mala with me. Can you see? Meet Mala. Let's discuss and read the story. Mala is laughing. First page. Mala lives in a small village. Her parents are farmers. She has a brother called Somu. Somu goes to a village school, but Mala doesn't. Even though she really wants to. If you go, says her mother, who will fill the pots? Oh my God. The river is far from Mala's house. She has to walk through the jungle to reach it. Her parents work hard in the fields all day. Why can't Somu go? Asks Mala. If he comes with me, the work will be done faster. Somu sticks his tongue out at her. Somu has to study and find a job, says her father. Don't argue, Mala, says her mother. Mala sighs. There are so many things she wants to learn about. Every day, after filling the pots, next page, Mala rushes to school. By the time she reaches school, only 1 hour of class is left. She sits outside near the window and listens to the teacher. It's wonderful. There is so much. She doesn't know. The world is full of secrets. Mala thinks she always feels sad when the bell rings. One afternoon, Mala sits outside in her usual spot. The teacher is teaching maths. Mala writes the sum on her pots with a piece of chalk. She's got the right answer. Next page. The teacher is opening the cupboard in the classroom. Mala can hear it creaking. Then suddenly screams fill the air. Snake! Shouts the teacher. There's a snake in the cupboard. The children scream too. Everyone is scared of snake. Mala runs inside. The teacher is standing on the table. Mala looks inside the cupboard. Yes, there is a snake. Mala laughs. It's only a wolf snake, she says. It's not poisonous. She knows about it. Are you sure? Asks the teacher. Yes, says Mala. I have seen it in the jungle. She is attentive. Mala slides her hand under the snake's belly. Next page. The snake tenses up. Mala lifts it gently. She takes it to the bushes in the schoolyard and sets it free. All the children watch her, holding their breath. When the snake disappears, the teacher smiles. Who you are? Who are you? He asks. Who asks? Teacher asks. She's my sister, Mala, says Somu proudly. Why don't you two come to school? Asks the teacher. Mala points to her pots. Last page. The teacher nods. He goes home with Mala and Somu that day. You should send both your children to school. The teacher tells their parents. But who will fill the pots? They ask. We will do it together, says Somu, after school. Wow! Isn't it a lovely story? It's super. Let us go through the important words which have come in the story. Glossary. Argue. To disagree with or say against. My brother and I argue about who is the fastest runner. Secrets. Something that only a few people know. Let's see the sentence. If I tell you something, would you keep it a secret? Poisonous. Filled with poison. Sentence. The snake was not poisonous. Sigh. To breathe out deeply, to show unhappiness. The teacher heard the sighs of the students when she gave them their holiday homework. Scream. Very loud cry made in fear, pain or excitement. Let's see the sentence. I scream when I see a spider. So the story is very nice. The girl child who was not able to go to school, to attend school, is also now getting a chance to attend school. Her brother, her family member, her teacher, everyone is appreciating the quality she has. The quality little Mala has. Everyone is happy with her character. Children, think about the character and different character, your famous personalities you can pick up, and think about them, their qualities, and make a web. This will be very helpful. This type of web you can make for your reference. Take care.